In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal to Lovable AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is open up lovable.dev and sign into your account. Once we've signed into our account, under projects, click onto all projects and you're going to come to a page that looks similar to this. So we can either create a new project or select a existing project. I'm just going to go ahead and select a existing project. So now this weight loss tracker, I want to connect PayPal to this. Now we need to give this a prompt. So where it says Ask Lovable, go ahead and type in connect to PayPal. Then from here, go ahead and click on send. Now it's probably going to ask you some questions to continue. Now from here, it's going to probably ask something along the lines here. PayPal integration requires strong private API keys securely, which needs Lovable Cloud enabled first. Would you like me to enable Lovable Cloud so we can set up PayPal integrations? Once enabled, I'll walk you through getting your PayPal API credentials, storing them, and creating an edge function to handle payments. So yes, go ahead and say yes. Click on send. Now we need to go ahead and enable cloud, so complete backend and AI models out of the box. So build in backend, database storage and auth, add a LM to your app, free to start, pay as you scale, where your project is hosted. So go ahead and choose which one and then click on allow. Okay, Lovable Cloud is now enabled. Here's what you get: database and storage, user authentication, and backend functions. Now for PayPal integration, I'll need your PayPal REST API credentials. This is your client ID and secret. You can get these from the PayPal developer dashboard. So if we come over here, we need to sign into our account, and then once you've done that, you're going to see how to get them. Now from here, would you like to proceed? I'll securely store your PayPal credentials and backend. So go ahead and click on to yes. So what it does, it basically walks you through on how to integrate this into your application, website, or your project. Now from here, it's going to say I'm preparing to securely store. And then below that, that's where we need to go ahead and add our secret. So add our PayPal business client ID and PayPal secret, and then go ahead and click onto submit. Then once you've done that, click onto submit, and that's going to successfully integrate PayPal into Lovable.